Hey guys, today we'll be making an adorable Christmas Poofy Deco Mesh Snowman Bow Wreath. What you will need: I have a wreath ring that already has the chenille stems attached. I have 21-inch long silver deco mesh. I have white, silver, and black 6-inch long deco mesh. And then I have this cute snowman ribbon. It's wire edged. Bow wire. The Burlap bow maker. And scissors. Alright, let's get started. I have raised all of my chenille stems. This just makes the process easier when I'm placing my mesh. I'm going to take the 21-inch long mesh, fold it to a nice little point, place it on the outer chenille stem, and twist it a couple of times. Then I'm going to pull my mesh to make a nice poof. The size of the poof is completely up to you. Place it in the next chenille stem and twist it a couple of times. And try to make your poofs as uniform as possible. I kind of just estimate to make sure the size is similar. It doesn't have to be perfect. Now I'm going to repeat this step all the way around the outer ring and then do the same thing on the inner ring. Alright, so I've come back to my starting point. I'm going to make one more poof, unravel, place my mesh, and twist it back. And now I have two options. I can cut off my mesh and start over completely on the inner ring, or I can make a poof and go to the next inner stem. I don't want to go with the first stem because that would make a poof that's too small, so I'm going to go to the next inner stem, twist it a couple of times, just like that. Now I'm going to continue making poofs all the way around the inner ring, just like I did on the outer ring. Alright, once you're all done, just cut away the excess mesh and then tuck away the end. Now I'm just going to fluff up my poofs just to make sure they're nice and poofy. Now I'm going to take my deco mesh, the white, silver, and black. I'm going to roll them at a diagonal and crisscross them one on top of the other. And I'm crisscrossing them because I want to make sure all of the colors are visible. Then scrunch it together in the center, pick a chenille stem, place my mesh, and twist it a couple of times. Now I'm going to repeat this step for each stem, making sure my bundles are nice and poofy. I'm going to alternate the order of the colors as well. Alright, I'm going to get all the mesh placed and then show you the next step. It looks so cute and poofy already. You can definitely leave it like this if you choose to do so. I'm going to add a few adorable bows. So I have my bow wire. I'm placing it in the center of my bodabra. Taking some of my ribbon, I'm going to scrunch it and place it down with the printed side facing up. And then cut away the mesh. I am not measuring the bow, I'm just estimating it. It doesn't have to be perfect. So I'm going to scrunch again, fold in half, bring the front and the back up, and place it down. And then I'm going to scrunch again and twist because this ribbon does have a right and a wrong side. So I'm going to twist before placing the ribbon so that the right side is visible at all times. So scrunch again and twist. And the number of loops and the size of the loops, that's completely up to you. I'm going to make about 4 loops and have about 2 tails. You can make more loops, fewer loops, whatever you prefer. Once you have the bow the size you desire, just cut away the excess ribbon. Use your wand to scrunch everything together. It looks so cute and precious. Now I'm going to take my bow wire and tie it in a knot a couple of times. Then remove it from the bodabra. And I'm going to repeat these steps, making a total of 4 bows. If you want to make a bow for every single stem, you can definitely do so. If you only want to use one bow, you can do that as well. Just have fun with it and make it your own. Let's get these bows made and add them to our wreath. So I have placed my bows on the wreath. I like to place all of them before I start anchoring them down, just so I can have an idea of where I want all of the bows to go. Once I have all of the bows exactly where I would like for them to be, I'm going to just twist them down with my chenille stem and then tuck away the chenille stem. Repeat this step for all of my bows. And I decided to take an 8-inch long piece of the snowman ribbon and add it into whichever stems I do not have a bow, just because I think it'll look so cute and precious. I'm also adding some mesh and ribbon to the outer stems as well. And you are all done. It looks so cute. Add as many bows, ribbon, snowman, an adorable sign for the center, whatever you prefer. Just have fun with it and make it your own. So cute, simple, and easy to make.